Medieval India, page number 146, chapter number 12. Second paragraph. Thus, the situation facing Rana Sanga and Babur was repeated. Maldiv's attempt to create a large centralized state in Rajasthan under his aegis was bound to be regarded as a threat by the ruler of Delhi and Agra. It was believed that Maldiv had an army of 50,000. However, there is no evidence that Maldiv coveted Delhi or Agra. Now, as before, the bone of contention between the two was the dominion of the strategically important eastern Rajasthan. The Rajput and Afghan forces clashed at Samil 1544 between Ajmer and Jodhpur. After waiting for about a month, Maldiv suddenly withdrew towards Jodhpur. According to the contemporary writers, this was due to a clever stratagem on the part of Sher Shah. He had dropped some letters addressed to the Rajput commanders near Maldiv's camps in order to sow doubt in his mind about their loyalty. The ruse worked, Maldiv seeing his mistake when it was too late. Some Rajput Sardars refused to retreat. With a small force of about 10,000, they vigorously attacked Sher Shah's center and created a confusion in his army. Soon, superior number of Afghan gunfire halted the Rajput charge and led to their defeat. The Battle of Samil sealed the fate of Rajasthan. Sher Shah now besieged and conquered Ajmer and Jodhpur, forcing Maldiv into desert. He then turned towards Mewar. The Rana was in no position to resist and sent the keys of Chittor to Sher Shah, who set up his outpost up to Mount Abu. Thus, a brief period of 10 months, Sher Shah overran almost the entire Rajasthan. His last campaign was against Kalinjar, a strong fort that was the key to Bundelkhand. During the siege, a gun burst and severely injured Sher Shah. He died 1545 after he heard that the fort had been captured. Sher Shah was succeeded by his second son, Islam Shah, who ruled till 1553. Islam Shah was a capable ruler and a general, but most of his energies were occupied with the rebellions raised by his brothers and with the tribal feuds among the Afghans. These and the ever-present fear of renewed Mughal invasion prevented Islam Shah from attempting to expand his empire. His death at a young age led to a civil war among his successors. This provided Humayun the opportunity he had been seeking for recovering his empire in India. In two hotly contested battles in 1555, he defeated the Afghans and recovered Delhi and Agra. Thank you everyone for tuning in. In the next part, we'll starting with the contributions of Sher Shah on page number 146. On the screen right now, you might be seeing the previous video and the playlist that we have created for all of you. Go check it out and keep supporting us. Thank you and all the best for exams.